Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic salary calculator in Google Sheets. With this setup, you can convert hourly USD rates into monthly PHP income that automatically updates whenever the exchange rate changes. Super useful if you're freelancing or working with international clients. So let's get started. First, you have to open a blank Google Sheet. This is what it's supposed to look like, but I'm going to open another tab. So you have to just enter the hourly rate. We're going to add $8, $10, $12, or whatever is your hourly rate. This will help us compare two scenarios: a typical month with 4.33 weeks and a flat week 4-week month, which is 160. In column A, let's add some sample hourly rates, which we already did. And then in column B, we'll calculate how many hours are worked in an average month. So just type equals 40 times 4.33, 3. So you should get that. Copy over. And then in column C, multiply the hourly rate, this one, by the monthly hours. So it's just a simple A times B. And we click check to automatically populate everything else. In column D, type 160. Because that is exactly 40 hours times 4 weeks. Then we will copy it over. In column E, multiply it by the hourly rate. So that will be A2 times D2. And again, auto-populate everything. For the exchange rate, we don't need to populate everything. So how to get the exchange rate that is current? You just have to type in Google Finance. So it auto-populates there. We will be putting quotation mark, currency, colon, USD space PHP. Quotation, close parentheses, and it will be getting the most current, or at least the running exchange rate. Next, in column H, we will be putting in E2, which is the monthly, because we're computing for the 160 hours now, times $sign F $sign 2. Again, auto-populating. So you are getting now the monthly salary if you're working for 160 hours. And then to compute the 173 hours, so in effect we will be doing the same thing, only with C2, which is the dollar amount, times dollar. So you've already populated your monthly PHP if you're earning 173.32, or if you're working 173.32 hours and the 160 hours. Now this remains the same, that's why it's in dollar form. You can also auto-populate this or use it to create other tables for other currencies. Just remember which columns should be changed. And if you want to highlight the columns according to, let's say, the hourly rate, you can do that. Whatever customization you'd like, you can do that. And that's it. You now have a dynamic table that converts hourly USD rates into monthly PHP salary with real-time exchange rates. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.